Hello friends, in this video tutorial we discuss about the application scope, implicit object of the expression language. Let's see with practical. First I click on the file, new, and take a dynamic web project. A dialog box will be displayed here, and simply I need to write the project name in the dialog box, and here I am write my project name as a expression, or simply I want give my application scope demo, and click on the next. Check the generate web.xml deployment descriptor and finish. My project displayed under the project explorer. It is taking little time. Application scope demo appear here, and simply I explore the application scope demo, my project, and right click on the web content. A pop-up menu will be displayed here, and it is taking little time. Okay, and I click on the new and take a JSP file, and I am giving my JSP file name as index.jsp. Press enter. My index.jsp file is created here, and simply I taking here the form tag, and action equal application dot JSP and close it, and taking here a div tag and close it. I am using inline CSS, style equal width 200 pixel, and height 100 pixel, and border width 1 pixel, border style solid, and terminated with semicolon, and within the div tag I am right here enter the name, and taking here the input type equal text, and giving the name equal name and close it. Taking here another input type equal submit, and value equal submit, and close it and save it. Look here, I am taking here a form tag, and within the action I am giving here the application.jsp. So when the user click on the submit button after entering the value, the control redirect to application.jsp. So I need to create a application.jsp. So I right click on the web content. A pop-up menu will be displayed, and click on the new, and take a JSP file, giving here the application.jsp, and press enter. Here I am using the percentage, and declaring a variable name is string, and equal request dot get parameter, passing here the argument as a name, and press enter. And here I am using application dot set attribute and press enter. I need here to write my application name, and simply I am giving my application name as a name and object as n, and terminated with semicolon. Here I am taking an anchor tag, and href equal disp.jsp and close it, and right here click and save it. Look here, I am using implicit object request and calling the get parameter with the help of request, passing here the argument as a name and the value coming from the index.jsp and store into the n variable. In the next line I am using here the application implicit object and set attribute method, passing here the application name as a name and object value as a n, means any value entered into the index.jsp, user enter and click on the submit button, this value come here and store into the n variable with the help of this statement, and this value set into the application, and I save it. I just right click on the web content, click on the new and take a JSP file, giving my JSP file name as a disp.jsp and press enter. My disp.jsp file is created here, and here I am using h2 label heading and right here welcome to this page and press enter. Right here welcome comma dollar curly bracket application scope dot name and save it. Okay, look here, I am using here the application scope, the implicit object of the expression language, and calling the application here name that is coming from the application.jsp, and this is the application name here, and this application store the value of n variable and n value coming from the index.jsp, and come here index.jsp and save it and run it. Click on the next and select the application scope demo and click on the finish. My index.jsp file is JSP is displayed by the browser. Apache Tomcat started here, that is localhost, 23% completed, and right now it is 100% completed. When the index.jsp file is displayed onto the screen, the user enter the name into the input type text and click on the submit button. The value come to the application.jsp and set into the application, and user click on the link anchor tag, click the control redirect to diff.jsp, and where using the application scope implicit object of the expression language print the value of the application of the JSP. Okay, it is taking little time. Look here, this is my index.jsp, and here I need to write my name Abhishek. I am right here Abhishek and click on the submit. it redirect to application.jsp, and I simply click on the click anchor tag, and welcome to this page. Welcome Abhishek, displayed with the help of application scope implicit object of the expression language. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. And in the previous I discussed about the cooking, and in this video lecture I discuss about the application scope. In the next video lecture we discuss another implicit object, so please watch my next video, and for cookie you will watch my previous video. Thanks for watching. Thanks a lot.